Integers. Properties of multiplication of integers. Commutativity, associativity, distributivity, and identity property. Properties of multiplication of integers. Closure under multiplication. Let's find closure property under multiplication. -7 and 4 are integers. -7 into 4 is equal to -28 is also an integer. -5 and -8 are integers. -5 into -8 is equal to 40. 40 is also an integer. Therefore, integers are closed under multiplication. Commutativity of multiplication. The property says that whatever the order of integers in multiplication, the product will be same. That is, 2 into -4 is equal to -8, as well as -4 into 2 is equal to -8. For every integers a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. Therefore, multiplication is commutative for integers. Associativity for multiplication. The product of three integers does not depend upon the grouping of integers, and this is called the associative property for multiplication of integers. For any three integers a, b, and c, into bracket a into b into c is equal to a into bracket b into c. Observe very carefully, students. First we multiply 2 blue balls 3 times. We get 6 balls. Then we multiply 6 balls 4 times. We get 24 balls. That is, into bracket 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 24. Now look at second diagram. First we multiply 3 red balls 4 times. We get 12 balls. Then again multiply 12 red with 2. We get 24 red balls. That is, 2 into bracket 3 into 4 is equal to 24. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. The property says that while performing multiplication with two integers, we can arrange one of it in addition form. The result will be same. We have a square. Let us arrange 6 squares in a row. We make 5 such rows. We required 30 squares to make such arrangement. Now we separate 5 rows into 4s and 2s column. Count squares of each part. The first part has 5 into 4 is equal to 20 squares, and second part have 5 into 2 is equal to 10 squares. By adding the squares of both parts, we get the actual total, that is 30. Therefore, for any integers a, b, and c, a into bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Identity for multiplication. Which number will you multiply with -7 to get -7? Or which number will you multiply with 13 to get 13? Right, 1. Therefore, 1 is an identity for multiplication. We get additive inverse of an integer a when we multiply -1 to a. That is, a into bracket -1 is equal to into bracket -1 into a is equal to -a. -a is an additive inverse of a. Summary. In this subtopic, we have learned properties of multiplication of integers, closure property, commutativity, associativity, distributivity, and identity property. That is all in this subtopic. Let us learn about division of integers in our next topic. Till then, keep learning.